Then in the GL wizard, we will have different modes. I'm connecting now to a 12 to 10 instance from EBS. Then just to show you the different modes that are available for the wizard, then the type of journal entries that you can enter. Then when we go here to the modes, you will see that are available actual, budget amounts, budget journal entries, and encumbrances. And then for the journal entries, the modes are the actuals, the budget journals, and encumbrances. Now, each of them is doing different stuff, but the actuals will work for foreign currency and local currency, functional currency. And then the one that is called budget journals will create budget journal entries. And then the one that is called encumbrances will create encumbrance journal entries. Then they are calling different programs. They have a specific columns. So for example, in the case of encumbrance will be the encumbrance type. And then they will be also calling different programs when they are getting imported. And then we will expand a little after in how the journal entries can be uploaded and created in Oracle eBusiness Suite.